Bachacha! Yes! Bachacha box!
Hey kids, let's see what we have in the learning box of Bachacha. Jinwin, Pinwin, pencil on the paper, let the magic begin.
Let's draw a fruit basket. Hello and welcome to your drawing class. Let's express our ideas visually. Draw a rectangular shape at the bottom. Create sleeping and standing lines which cross one another. Now for a sturdy border, a double-line sleeping cylindrical shape with lines. Let's draw two incomplete small ovals and two incomplete ovals which are bigger. Create criss-cross pattern on the pineapple and add some leaves. Draw zigzag lines on the watermelon. A small dent at the center of the apple with a stem coming out. Color. Watermelon is green on the outside. Pineapple can be colored in yellow or orange. Color the pineapple leaves in green. Great! Add orange color to the orange fruit. Color with red or green pencil on the apple. Use a yellow or brown shade across the basket. Great job! Enjoy seasonal and local fresh fruits, and don't forget to add at least 2 fruits in your diet daily. Share this amazing fruit basket art with friends and family.
Stay tuned to Bachacha Box. Happy hours for kids.